Good afternoon. My name is Jason King, and I'm a chartered accountant and a member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Barbados, or ICAB. This is Talking Business with ICAB. I'm also the chairman of the ICAB Taxation Committee, and over the next 2 episodes, I want to share some reminders with you to ensure that you are prepared for this upcoming tax season. All self-employed persons, employees who earned above $25,000 last year, as well as pensioners over 60 years with an annual income above $45,000, are required to file a personal income tax return in 2024. You may recall that during the budgetary proposals and financial statements read by the Right Honourable Mia Amor Motley on March 14, 2023, the personal income tax allowance for pensioners was increased from $40,000 to $45,000. Therefore, this will be the first return being filed with the increased allowance. The return must be filed online in TAMIS by April 30th, 2024. TAMIS is the Tax Administration Management Information System, which is managed by the Barbados Revenue Authority, or BRA. To most of you, this may not be new information. However, we are aware that there is a misconception that pensioners do not have to file an income tax return. A pensioner, for example, may receive a pension from a private plan and from the National Insurance and Social Security Service, or the NISSS. Those 2 pensions may add up to less than $45,000. However, the pensioner may have an apartment attached to their property that helps them to manage their expenses. That rental income less its relevant expenses should also be taken into consideration when computing if they are below or above the $45,000 threshold. If you are not certain if you should file an income tax return, these are questions you can ask the Customer Service Department of the BRA. The BRA has several centers across the island and can also be contacted at 429-ETAX, which is 429-3829. If you only visit TAMIS annually to file your personal income tax return, it is likely that you will be prompted to refresh your password when you enter the site. There is a self-help function on the website to assist if you cannot recall your password or allow you to reset it. However, if that does not work, you can visit one of the BRA customer service centers in person or call the BRA to reset the password on your behalf. The BRA has confirmed that the personal income tax return should be available for completion in TAMIS from this week. This would be a good time now to check and make sure all of your third-party information has been uploaded. And what is your third-party information? First, it is the gross salaries or wages and allowances you received from your employer. It's also any amounts you donated to charities for which you provided your tax identification number or TIN. It's also any union dues you paid during the year. If you are a self-employed person, your customers or clients may have uploaded your fees directly to your account using the same TIN. If you are a pensioner, it would be your pension. Please do not wait until the week prior to the tax filing deadline to realize that this information has not been uploaded and risk the timeliness of your filing. Note that late returns are charged a penalty of $500 for filings after April 30th and 1% interest per month for each month the return is outstanding. As I said at the beginning of this episode, these are just a few reminders to ensure you are prepared this tax season. In our next episode, we will provide some more tips that we hope you will find useful. I am Jason King, and this is Talking Business with ICAB.